just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when
So we will be putting this $1,000 iPhone 12 Pro against my $3,899 mirrorless camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm with Julie and we're going to be testing out these two different cameras. We're going to be taking pictures, you know, because the cameras on the phones are getting really good. I just want to do a side-by-side and then see how they compare. I think the iPhone is actually going to perform really well. So we'll just start up taking pictures. I'll just try and get her in a very similar pose, and I'll try to remember to record my screen so you guys can see everything that is happening at the same time. Are you ready? All right, so let's start with this. I won't want you to do too many poses. If I find one that is working, I'll take a shot with my phone and I'll just try and get the same frame with my camera. Just take a few clicks and then we move on to the next place. All right, one thing about the iPhone 12 Pro is that it has an ability to shoot in RAW. I think it's Apple Pro RAW, and the format is DNG, so we can still see it in Adobe Lightroom or Camera Raw or whatever. So I'll shoot in RAW so we can get the best dynamic range out of the camera, and I'll do the same thing with my CANON R5 as well. Starting off, the sun is behind there, so it means this is going to be a backlit shot, but let's just see how this performs. Yeah, and then chin up, and then you can look perfect. Actually hold that. I'm using the 1X camera. Yeah, I like it so you can pocket, perfect. Chin up a little bit. I like the breeze, that's nice. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's a shot. Okay, keep that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one last shot. 3, 2, 1. Keep that. Beautiful. Okay, so let's do the same thing with my camera. Yeah, that's it. Look into the camera. Eyes into the camera. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's a shot. Take one more. Again, eyes into the camera. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Okay, I think we have this. The next one, you had your arms up, so we'll just do that one as well. All right. 3, 2, 1, arms up. Yeah. Okay, let's do one more. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, perfect. I love it. All right, so as you can see, I'm trying to get the shots that I got on my iPhone on the mirrorless camera as well. So with our last pose, I think your arms were in your pockets and then you were looking down this way. So we'll do the same thing. And I'm shooting currently at 24mm, f2.8. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's take one more for safety. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, cool. We can move on to another location and see what we can get. So you're going to move on to the rocks over here. I just want to see how it's going to perform, because over there we're going to have direct sunlight on here. And I know the iPhone performs really well when it has like direct light on our subject. Oh, no.
The camera is actually...
So it means if the iPhone is going to perform well, then the camera should do even better. So you can lean against. I think I want you to face it. Yeah. But you can get close to the rock. I'll just try and get like a very wide shot. And with my 24 on my mirrorless camera, I'll just have to step a lot further back and then take some shots. This one should be calm, collected, just like that, and then you chin up into the sun. I'm doing pictures. All right, 3, 2. I think I want you to face where the sun is coming from, so we have the best light on you. All right, 3, 2, 1. That's very nice. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's pretty cool. For the last one, 3. Oh yeah, that's stunning. I really like this. 3, 2, 1. Take one more shot. Okay, so I'll go back to the normal camera, same pose, and then we'll just take one more shot. 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Let me actually change my focus to a spot.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you.
Now we've brought her into the cave. I'm gonna start again with the phone, and then we'll just try and get some shots with the phone, and then just try and get the same thing on the mirrorless camera as well. That's really beautiful. Keep that. Let me lock my exposure and bring that down, 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 right there. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. I love that. 3, 2, 1. Keep that. Nice. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, keep that. Awesome. Can you just be in the middle of the cave like that, and then, yeah. Awesome. So, like that, like that. So you're like this, and then you're like this, and then you're like that. That's all. Okay. 3, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to do ultra wide. 3, 2, 1. Got it. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing with my camera, and that'll be it. So let me start with like a very wide shot. So I'm going to start at 24 again. Now I need to adjust my camera settings to match, so I'm going to go down on my shutter speed right here. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let me change my focus point again. I just want to push my focus point on her face and also do like a very wide shot. So somewhere here. All right, keep that. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. One more. 3, 2, 1. Just for safety, we are still doing the wide shots. Okay. Yeah, let me bring the point down a bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Nice. All right, so now we can come back and then do those other poses. I'm going to change this back to the IAF. Yeah. Okay, is that what we did? Okay. 3, so I'm zooming to 70. 3, 2, 1. Nice.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason.
Okay, so for my last test, I just want to grab a few videos from the Canon R5 and also my iPhone 12 Pro. I'm going to be shooting in 4K 60 because the iPhone also does 4K 60. That's pretty standard. I don't want to do like all the way to 120. So let's just do that and then, you know, look at the videos also and see how they stack up side by side.
You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch.
Okay, so now I'm on my phone, 4K 60. We'll just try and do the same thing that we did with the mirrorless camera and then see what we get with this as well. Ready? Okay, so I'm starting like this and I'm going to push in. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, let's go.
just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like the quality from the iPhone 12 Pro, or do you like the quality from the professional camera? Obviously, there is one that I'm going to favor towards. I mean, this is a professional camera. You can do so many things with it, but then these phones are getting really, really good. I'm actually impressed. I'm amazed. I can't wait to get onto my computer to look at them properly side by side. But so far, it's been really, really good. So, do you want to get a phone and then create content with it, or do you want to spend like, what, $6,000 on a setup like this? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.